Hey there, high fashion doll lovers. I'm just Christopher and bienvenidos to my YouTube channel. Now, if this is your first time here, please make sure to take a second and press that subscribe button, boo. And don't forget its partner, the alert button. So you can get alerted whenever there's a new video right here on this channel. Okay, so you already know, but there's just so much to say. First of all, I have a question. For any more senior collectors, not collections, but for more senior collectors, has this ever happened before in Integrity? Has there ever been a time when the doll was shipped, I will say, a year and almost a month after she was announced? Has that ever happened? Is this the first? I have so many questions because I missed her, but there was so many other things happening that I was not in the urgency to get her. Does that make sense? Where I wanted to know why it took so long. I still want to know why it took so long. And I have my own assumptions as to why it took so long. But yeah. The hype, I don't know. I don't even know what to say. I was waiting, but I didn't put too much energy into it. I think that's the best way to phrase this. Now, she's still in the shipper box. Right over here. And I must be honest, as I always am. For those that have been to my channel before, you know I keep it real. I purchased this for the fashion. There's no need for me to lie to you. I want the clothes, and this box is heavy. So with me reiterating that I wanted the clothes and that's what I got, I think you should know she's not staying in my collection. Not my cup of tea. The fashions are my cup of tea. The doll herself, it's just a no. Originally, I was really excited to get a Daina and to see that face mold because, as you all know, I'm a neo collector, so this is not a face mold that I had ever seen before for my very recent years of collecting. But in due time, more Dainas were released, and well, I have my favorite right behind me right now. So I don't need this one. So she will be gladly put up for sale after I take off these fashions. Now that all of that has been said and done, I'm ready to open this box and see what she looks like. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, wait. She's wearing the gloves? That's a first. Yeah, I stick to my original thought process. She's not for me. And I can't wait to take out the clothes, which is exactly what I want. But let me show her to you. I need both hands. This box is real heavy. Yeah, she's a meh for me. Yeah, no, I'm not really. Is that gold and silver together? I'm not. Yeah, that. Let's take a moment. Okay. Let me gather my thoughts real quick. Because I feel like there's a lot going on. Now, if you are new to my channel, I will unbox her off camera. I don't want you to struggle with me. It'd be a struggle sometimes. And if you're also new to my channel, I would like to let you know I'm going to show her and present her and all of her accessories and how she's meant to be viewed. And then there's always a restyle portion of my videos. Now, this particular restyle portion is going to be very different. As you've already seen, I'm not really big on her, so I won't be restyling her. I will be restyling the looks on someone else. And I said looks on purpose. And a part of me is like, I don't know if I want to tell you what I mean by looks yet. I feel like I want to hold on to that. So actually, I'm going to hold on to that. So see you soon. If you've been to this channel, you know how it goes. We start at the shoes around here. Now, Kyle also purchased this doll, and he unboxed his a little earlier than I did, sorry. So I did do some editing already, and I did cut off those top buckles, I guess you can call them. Kyle told me his broke off, and I saw someone else on IG complain about it, and honestly, I didn't care for them. I prefer the zipper anyway, so yeah, I cut it off. I didn't need it in my life, and I'm perfectly fine with that little piece hanging from the top, because who really cares anyways? Now, moving away from the shoes, which are quite a piece of art, honestly. There's a lot going on them. Let's move on to the doll. Ladies and gentlemen, yeah, I'm speechless. I am speechless. This bodysuit is heavy. Fully made out of metal. I personally always assumed that the delay was the bodysuit, because how you mold metal, create magnets to put on a doll is just out of my mind. Like, her glasses are a little crooked. I should have looked at that earlier, but I was so distracted by everything else because, guys, the bodysuit is metal. The necklace, metal. The arms, metal. This top portion, I'm surprised she's not tilting over because it's a lot. Also, can we talk about beautiful? The little glitter on the coat looks on the camera. It literally looks like stars in the night sky. I am in love. Back to this. Guys, speechless once again. Like, I want to restyle it, and I will for this video, but I don't think I'm gonna leave a doll like standing in it, because I'm gonna be afraid she's gonna fall over. It's just so heavy. Also, I find it so interesting that she came with the metal hands and arms already put in. I don't know if you noticed that in the box. The Vanessa, who also had similar gloves, did not come with hers, and there were issues with the arms. So I guess they figured out, let's put it on, make sure that it works, and send it out. So I appreciate it, because at least I know they work a lot better than my Vanessa ones, which don't really work. And I think I got a new pair from Patient Care, but I also don't care for them too much. But yeah, here's the look. Her hair also, I'm not 100% sure what's really going on. Yeah. Focus. Yeah, it's interesting. So like, that's all I really got. It's very interesting. But yeah, here Daina is, all decked out. Sorry, I think the camera is like losing focus. All decked out and how she was intended. Oh, wait, no, we're missing something. Sorry, or will I use it in my next look? I don't know yet, but let me put this over here really quickly. I thought it was all silver. Did I miss the memo where it was silver and gold? Someone, let me know. I'm literally starting at the shoes because I just don't know where to begin. But I'm going to try to zoom out a little bit, go upward, and oh, there goes my ring light messing up my vibe. Okay, well maybe, let's move the ring light. There we go. Here we have it. Retro Future Restyled. Now, I want to start with this look over here because this is kind of the look that started it all. From the moment I saw this skirt and this black coat, I wanted to see what it looked like together, and it did not fail me. I also just love the fact that it still feels very Dior. You know, I feel like this whole collection in a whole is a mixture of Dior and Mugler. Isn't it Terry Mugler? You can correct me if I'm wrong. My fashion knowledge is slightly limited. But yeah, like I was saying, and I got distracted by trying to pronounce names correctly. This was the look that started it all. I've had this in my mind for quite some time, so I'm really excited to see it in real life and executed how I had it in mind. The accessories kind of just happened as we went, you know, one thing at a time. I wanted to make sure that everything was mixed. I wanted to separate as much as possible. I really wanted to put the bow as a wrap, but then you would kind of lose the effect of the full glove on her look. So it's a vibe. It's a feel. It's a feel. And then this is a more casual, not casual look over here with the jacket over the dress. And yeah, I think I'm taking it in as I'm filming, so it's really hard for me to find things to say, because I think I'm just taken aback of how A, well it came out, and B, it's a moment, and I'm really excited about it. But here are my retro future restyled looks. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let's give you one more like head to toe vibe. Back to the shoes and back up. Yes, loving it. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in for this video with me, just Christopher, right here on my channel. If you didn't do this at the top of the video, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe now and press that bell notification so you can get alerted when there's a new video in down. Also, please make sure to like and comment. I love a good conversation. Let's chat. Do you like her? Do you like the fashions? What was your favorite part? Now, as I mentioned in my previous video, I'm out of sidekick, so I don't know when the next doll is coming, but let us hope it is soon, because I love chatting with you guys. But until next time, bye.